Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Audiolab. Here we go to settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, research about Audiolab and you click. In this page of app, on for you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. In this page of storage, you click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.